Good day everyone. Our agenda for today is scheduling algorithm preemptive priority. Example scenario. Student A with a priority level 3, burst time 5 seconds, arrive at time 0. Student B with priority level 1, burst time at 3 seconds, arrive at 2. Student C with the priority level 2, burst time 4 seconds, arrive at time 4. Ngayon, naroon na tayong process flow. Ang ginawa ko, gumawa na lang ako ng table for execution timeline. At time 0, student A starts execution. At time 2, student B arrives with the priority level 1 higher than student A. Kaya nangyari, si student A ay nag-antay at pinauna si student B. At time 5, student B finishes and student A resumes again execution. Ngayon, at time 6, na-realize ng scheduler na si student C dapat ang mauna kasi within 2 to 5 seconds, dumating na siya at time 4 with the priority level 2 higher than student A. Kaya nangyari, si student A ay nagantay ulit at si student C naman ang nag-start. At time 10, student C finishes and student A resumes execution. And finally, at time 12, student A finishes. Para mas maging malinaw, let's solve it. Student A arrived at time 2. Student A arrived at time 0. Ito na siya, student A. Ngayon, student B arrives at time 2. Kaya nangyari, yung process ni A ay naudlot at si B ang nauna kasi may priority level siya na 1 which is higher than student A na priority level ay 3. At time 5, student B finish. Ngayon, ang natitira sa process ay si student A with priority level 3 and within that time, dumating na din si student C with the priority level 2. Ngayon, kung magtataka kayo kung ba't may schedule na nakalagay dito kasi 1 seconds bago na realize ng scheduler na si student C ang mauna bago si student A kasi mas mataas ang priority level ni student C. At time 10, natapos si student C. Kaya kinansel na natin sila. Cancel. Ngayon, ang natitira na lang ay si student A. Mali itong priority level niya, pero disregard na lang yan. Kasi priority level ay 3 dapat. Ngayon, at 12 seconds, natapos na si A. Cancel na dapat siya. Doon natapos yung process. Ngayon, i-solve natin ang turnaround time. At bago yun, completion time. Si student A, natapos siya at 12. Student B, natapos siya at 5. Siya yung pinaka-nauna. Student C, natapos siya ng 10. Siya naman yung pangalawa. Now, for turnaround time, para ma-solve to, completion time minus arrival time. 12 minus 0 is 12. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. Now, to solve waiting time, turnaround time minus burst time. 12 minus 5, 7. 3 minus 3, 0. 6 minus 4, 2. Now, isa-solve naman natin ang CPU utilization. 12 ang completion time ng total at 12 times 100 is equal to 100%. Now, ang average turnaround time naman ay 7. Kasi 12 plus 3 plus 6 equals 21 and divided by 3 is equal to 7. Ang average waiting time naman ay 3. Kasi 7 plus 2 plus 0 is equal to 9 divided by 3 equals 3. At doon natatapos ang solution natin, ang pagsasolve. The reflection and discussion. Which process finished first and why? Student B finished first because it had the highest priority, level 1, allowing it to preempt student A na nauna siyang nag-process at nag-execute. How did the priorities affect the scheduling order? Higher priority process, lower numerical value, preempted lower priority ones, leading to interruption in execution. Kagaya nga ng kanina, nauna si A na mag-execute. Pero dahil dumating si student B na with higher priority level, siya ang naunang matapos. What would happen if all process had the same priority? The scheduling would default to first come, first serve, where process execute in arrival or without preemption, or magbe-base sa burst time, kung sino ang maliit na burst time, ay na mauna. How could starvation be a problem in real system using this algorithm? If new high priority process keep arriving, lower priority process might never get CPU time, leading to indefinite waiting starvation. Kasi, pag mas mataas ang priority level, mapipilitan yung mga nauna na mababang priority level na mag-antay. How can aging help in such system? Aging gradually increases the priority of waiting process over time, ensuring that no problem occur indefinitely starve. Ayun. At doon natatapos ang ating discussion. Thank you for watching.